Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use CNFans credit. So guys, if you want to use the credit or have some credit on your CNFans, the credit guys you collect from making against an order and making order on CNFans. For example, you have some orders. If you want to use credit, go to my order, and from my order what you have to do guys, you have this a lot of option here, and go to this my wallet, not my order, my wallet, and from my wallet guys go into my credit here, and after that I have zero credit. If you have credit guys, what you have to do, you see option redeem product, just click redeem product and make sure you make this the option or this option on your app guys. Make sure you have app. When you make a redeem product, you pop and here some product here to redeem with your credit. This is how you can do actually guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Now don't forget to give like and share this video and give it like for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comment here, and guys remember you have this support option. If you have any problems to your using your credit, you can just contact the support by write coupon or something like this order from here. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.